delikado dyan.
Ano ba?
Hindi ko gagawin yan. Hindi ko kaya yan. Baka hindi ko may pagkakyan.
Di ba sana tayo?
Ay, susunduin na lang yun doon.
Awan ka na lang.
Kaya mo yan?
Slide ako eh. Video yan. Hello.
Bitawan mo si Mami Miles. Para makita natin siya mag-tumbling-tumbling. Tapos pagdating sa bahay, no? Anong ginawa niyo kay Mami Miles?
Inuwi ng pilay. Ay, nako.
Oo, ayan. May kuryente, ha?
May kuryente o tali.
Ano ba ito, tali?
Tali. So guys, we're going home. The 3-day convention is now ended. Today is Sunday, January 4.
Kuryente, pero lang pa.
And that's Mami Miles, as you may have known already, and that's Bambi in her prettiest crimson red
Thank you.
dress. Do you want to say hello to somebody? Our expert Rodriguez BGS guys.
Ay, nakakahiya. Ayoko. To all my fans out there.
Ha?
Joke lang.
Ha? Nandiyan si Helen. Nakakahiya naman sasabihin. So this is Karen
Nakita mo.
in her pretty pink dress and her Korean novella hairstyle. Korean novella
Sabi ginawa ko
hairstyle.
lang ako anime.
And this is Ate Alma. Hello. Hi, yun na pala yung sasakyan eh. So we're going home. This is the assembly compound, and this is the parking lot. Actually, it's not really the parking lot, but they made it a parking lot because we needed space. And this is the car, so we're going home. Okay? Bye.